Hello children. Last class we learned reading on lesson number 5 solid, liquid and gases. Now today we are going to continue the reading on the page number 43 children. So you have to open your book and you have to keep your finger children. Solute, solvent and solution. Activity 2. Take a beaker, fill it half with water, put some sugar in it and stir. Can you see sugar now? No. Now taste the water. It is sweet. Can you tell why? The liquid is now sugar solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Sugar plus water, it is represented as sugar solution. In this, sugar is a solute, water is a solvent and sugar solution means sweet water. It is a solution. The solid that dissolve in a liquid are called solutes. The liquid in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. The liquid which we get when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called as a solution. What happens when sugar or salt dissolves in water? When we put sugar or salt in water, its molecules scatter throughout the water. They occupy the empty space in between the molecules of water. This is why sugar seems to disappear when it is dissolved in water. Will the volume of the solvent change on adding solute? Volume will not change. This is because sugar does not take up any extra space in its molecules. Only fill up the empty space between the molecules of water. Keywords. Matter means anything that has weight and occupies space. Matter means children, anything that has weight and occupies space. Solute, the solid that dissolves in a liquid. Solute means children, the solid that dissolves in a liquid. Solvent, the liquid in which a solid dissolves. Solvent means what children? The liquid in which a solid dissolves. Now solution. Solution means what children? The liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent. Solution means what children? The liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent. Flashback. Matter occupies space and has weight. Once again I will read. Matter occupies space and has weight. The three states of matter are interchangeable. The three states of matter are interchangeable. A solid substance that dissolves in a liquid is called a solute. A solid substance that dissolves in a liquid is called as a solute. The liquid in which a solute is dissolved is called as a solvent. Now children, you have to read this lesson number 5 times.